Hello friends, welcome to Chaco's tutorial, day 5 of spoken English class. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. After watching the video, if you like it, please press the like button and the share button so that others also can learn English. In day 4, we had learnt a few grammar, that is subject and predicate. We learnt what is subject and predicate. Today, as I told you earlier, we will watch a small conversation which is about daily activities. Daily activities. Now, a conversation is between two people or more than two people. Normally, a conversation between two people will be in the question answers format. So, I too have two people here asking questions and giving answers to those questions. The first person's name is Rohit. You can take any name. So he asked a question. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? So the second person says, I have taken the name as Rohan. I get up about 6 o'clock. I get up about 6 o'clock. What time do you get up? I get up about 6 o'clock. Instead of what time, we can also say, when do you get up? I get up about 6 o'clock. The next question he asks is, what time is breakfast? What time is breakfast at your house? What time is breakfast at your house? So, what was the answer? Breakfast is always at quarter to 8. Breakfast is always at quarter to 8. Now, what is the meaning of quarter to 8? 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. That means 7:45 a.m. 7:45 in the morning, he takes his breakfast. What time do you get up? I get up about 6 o'clock. What time is breakfast at your house? Breakfast is always at quarter to 8. Then comes the next question connected with the daily activities. What do you usually do in the afternoon? what do you usually do in the afternoon? That means after lunch, what do you do? What do you usually do in the afternoon? I usually read books. He says, I usually read books. We can also say, I usually go for a walk in the garden. I usually play a game of chess. Anything can be said here to this question. What do you usually do in the afternoon? I usually read books. Next question is, what do you usually do over the weekend? What do you usually do over the weekend? Weekend means the end of the week, that is Saturday and Sunday. Many people like to do many things during weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. So the answer came, I enjoy games and visit friends. I enjoy games and visit friends. So he likes to play some games and then visit his friends. What do you usually do in the afternoon? I usually read books. What do you usually do over the weekend? I enjoy games and visit friends. The next question is, do you ever go to cinema? Do you ever go to cinema? Cinema means theater for watching movies. Do you ever go to cinema? So he says, I go every now and then. Every now and then. Now and then means time to time. Time to time, I go to the theater for watching some movies. Next question was, what kind of movies do you prefer? That means, what kind of movies do you like to watch? The answer is, I prefer comedy. Comedy means the movies which contains lot of jokes and fun. I prefer comedy. Do you ever go to cinema? I go every now and then. What kind of movies do you prefer? I prefer comedy. The next question is, do you watch television very often? Do you watch television very often? Often means always. Do you watch television always? Answer is, well, I sometime watch it in the evening. I sometime watch it in the evening. So, do you watch television very often? Well, I sometime watch it in the evening. Here is the next question. Did you watch television last night? Did you watch television last night? Did you watch television last night? Last night means previous night, that is yesterday. We don't say yesterday night. Last night is a better word to be used. So we ask a question, did you watch television last night? Answer is, yes, I did. I watched several good programs. I watched several good programs. I watched several good programs. He said, I watched several good programs. Once again, do you watch television very often? Well, I sometimes watch it in the evening. Did you watch television last night? Yes, I did. I watched several good programs. So these are few questions and answers in a conversation form about daily activities. Please watch it. After watching this conversation, I am going to give you a very small task. You can just try it out. What you have to do is rewrite this conversation. Rewrite the conversation using the words I am giving you. Conversation using the following words. So you have to just try rewriting this conversation wherever the words which I am giving you fit it, or you write it and see whether you are able to make a new conversation. The words are leave for work, so you can say when do you leave for work, what time do you leave for work, play games, return home, listen, radio, park, walk, and go to bed. So you can try using these words to remake this conversation, which may help you to learn in a better way. Please try this out. The words are leave for work, play games, return home, listen, radio, park, walk, and go to bed. So please watch this video. After that, try to remake this conversation using these words, which may help you to learn English in a better way. Thank you very much for watching this video.